Hi guys, in my previous video we talked about Google Search Engine Console. In this video we'll be talking about web analytics. So what is web analytics? Well, web analytics is used by every single person that owns a website or is working on a website. So what it does, it helps you to scan everything I mean all the number of clicks, whatever traffic is landing on your pages, on your blog page, on your website, everything can be tracked by web analytics. So I'll be showing you in my laptop, so let's go for it. Hi guys, so I'll be guiding step by step as I guided in Google Search Console in web analytics. So you can see my screen. So I'll search Google Analytics. So this one is the link, and let's go with this. So obviously it would be asking your email ID, that is your Google email ID, right? So the registered email ID through which your website is linked, only that email ID you have to enter. If you'll not enter that, this would be the screen that would be coming, that is start measuring. So I have logged it into an account, but I don't have any website ID referred to this thing. So it would be asking me account setup, details, account information. So you have to fill everything and you have to check mark everything. You have to continue with the next. And property setup, as I told you in Google Search Console, similar thing will be happening in analytics. You will be doing all the process as guided by Google Analytics. After that, this sort of page will be appearing on your website or this console in the analytics. So it will be telling you everything about your website or your page. So it's the home page or the dashboard of web analytics or Google Analytics. As you can see, the first section is users, then it's sessions, bounce rate, and session duration. So 2.7k, 4.9k, you can see the entire data, that what all sort of users visited your website or your page, how much time were they on your page, they were looking for something. So for example, 2 minutes 59 seconds, it tells you that an average user time spent was 2 minutes approx, 2 minutes 59 seconds, that means 3 minutes. So they were on your website for at least 3 minutes reading everything, reading content, reading blogs or everything, right? So what second thing is, it tells you everything. It tells you the source, it tells you the medium. Source as in people came through organic thing, how many people came through inorganic or the paid ads which you might be running for your thing, or how many were the referral were coming from referrals. So it will tell you everything. In the next thing, the active user according to the days, 30 days it's showing 62 was the average number of thing. So it is telling everything. Now this section is telling the country. So country means obviously you know about the country, that from where people are visiting. So from India you can see there are 51. For US you can see it's 22. If I talk about it's US for 22. So if I talk about this one, it's UK, there are just 2. If I talk about Australia, it's 1. So you can track down everything. So it's showing that 60% population from India is viewing your content or your website. Similarly, it's about devices, so desktop and mobile. So mobile is little bit low, but the desktop version, people are using desktop are using more. So it's 81.9% of people who are actually looking our website are using or are searching it through desktop. So you can find everything. Now it's page views. This section is page views. So the home page got 72 views, portfolio was 13, about section was 8. So you can see everything. Now Second section is real time. Again, I will be telling you some limited things in this video because it would be a just basic video or an overview about web analytics. Rest we will be covering in my upcoming videos. So if I talk about real time, what real time actually it's loading. I guess I am hard time with my internet. So real time actually shows how many people currently right now they are viewing your content, so or content or website. So you just try it. Overview will say you this thing that right now people didn't in last 5 minutes nobody visited my website, so it's saying 0. But in some cases, if your things, if you are very good and if the things are going perfectly fine, so there would be active users 10, 15, 20, or there are sometimes, in my case, we are actually targeting US market, so this one goes to 20, 30 or more than that at the night time, that is US time, right? So again, locations is also there, that in which location people are more active in last 5 minutes, that is this thing. If I talk about traffic source, the similar thing I talked in previous home customization, this is that thing. So in traffic source, last 5 minutes people visited will be saying will be covering in this thing. If I talk about audience, we will be covering in next video. If I talk about acquisition, this is most important thing for the basic program or the basic video. This is all traffic according to channel. I will be targeting acquisition all traffic channels. So this is the main thing, that how much traffic is coming from direct, matlab as in it's coming from the direct source, it's coming from organic reach source, it's coming from social approach or the referral approach. So you can clearly see that it's 62 in total, and the direct is 31, 19, 6 and 6. So you can track down everything. You can track down it by week or by month wise, it can also show you. And if you want to change the time duration, so you can customize it. If you want to say search from 1st January to today, okay, so you can apply there and boom, you can see what stats goes. So I guess it's 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 months database is completely there, that how much direct, paid, social, organic traffic was there on this particular website is shown there. So this was the main thing. Now you can, all users are there, so you can change the segmentation also. If you want to add a new segment, so you can add it here, or you can directly add from add segment. So you can see all, if you want to hide all users, if you just want that I want two things, my direct traffic and my paid traffic who are coming directly on my website, or who are who I pay for, I am paying for ads or the Google ads and they are coming on my website, you just click apply and everything will be shown in this thing. So this was the direct, this was paid. So in this case, paid one is more users were directly going on direct traffic as compared to paid, right? So you can, there are many segments we'll be talking about in obviously upcoming videos. It's search traffic, but I guess you can just choose 4 out of them. Yes, at a time you can search just 4. If you want that how many people are visiting your website through search traffic or tablet and desktop traffic, so you can just click on apply and boom, here is the result. So you can clearly see that everything is systematically arranged from web analytics, and you can just have a look over it. You can even convert it into pie chart so that it can be easily seen, or you can convert it to performance ratio, or there are many other maps in which you can arrange it. It's term cloud, another thing is comparison. So comparison, if you can easily want to compare, so you can go from this thing. So at the right side you can see complete comparison is given there. So in this video we'll be just covering these things. These were really very important things. If you are a newbie, if you are just clicking web analytics for first time, or you are going if you are trying web analytics for your first time for your website or any of your blog page, so this was all about this video. Thank you. So that was all the basic of web analytics. We'll be seeing you in my next video.